We've got several kids here from Washington Elementary that want to tell us why we should save the rainforest and a couple ideas about how to save the rainforest. First off is Kylie Thomas.
Every second we lose an area of rainforest the size of 2 football fields. Every hour we lose an area about 7,000 football fields. Every day we lose an area larger than New York City.
Chloe?
Every month we lose 2/3 the size of Vancouver. Every year we lose an area just over twice the size of Tunisia.
Dane Funston?
Do not destroy South America's rainforest because that's the only place that sloths live.
Zoe?
If we cut down trees, we can lose oxygen. When we cut down trees, animals lose their homes.
Ashley?
The remaining rainforest could be consumed in less than 40 years. Toucans are being endangered because people keep on cutting down the trees. How would you like it if you were a toucan and someone cut down your tree?
Okay. Tolman?
The Amazon rainforest is described as the lungs of our planet. 1 1/2 acres of the rainforest are lost every second.
Okay, and a few guys over here are going to tell us what are some ways to help save the rainforest. What can us kids do? Sam?
Write a thank you letter to an organization that is helping the rainforest. Tell your friends and family how important it is to save the rainforest.
Michael?
Ask your school to buy environmentally friendly paper and do a class project about and to learn about the rainforest.
Levi?
Use this paper and have a school fundraiser to save money for the rainforest.